Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about basic makeup tools which you need for doing a full face makeup. As nowadays there are so many different options available in the market, so sometimes it's a little confusing to choose the right tools for your makeup, but choosing the right tools is as important as choosing the right products. So today I'm here to help you with that. And I'm going to show you exactly the basic tools which you will need for a full face makeup. So let's get started. Let's start with the base, and number one is foundation. So for foundation, I will recommend this kind of a brush. This is called a buffing brush or a stippling brush, and this brush is perfect to apply cream and liquid products, especially if you have open pores which looks much bigger after applying foundations. So with this brush that will never happen, because you can actually the brush will actually go inside the pores, so the foundation will go inside your pores, and you will get a flawless finish with this brush. If you are using cream blush or cream contour, so you can use this one as well. The next thing you need is a beauty blender. If you have this kind of a beauty blender in your makeup kit, you are all sorted, because you can almost do a full face makeup using only a beauty blender. And also this tip is for the precise application, like for the inner corner of your eyes or the side of your nose. You can even apply contour with this blender. So the difference between a brush and a beauty blender is this is basically a sponge, right? So it will absorb more product than a brush. So if you want a full coverage, use a brush. If you want a very natural, subtle kind of a coverage, use a sponge. Moving on, next is a blush brush. Though it is called a blush brush, but it serves a lot of other purposes as well. Like you can use it for powdering your face. Then of course you can apply your blush, and also you can apply your contour as well. Just squeeze the brush like this. Just squeeze it like this. And then take the product on the brush and then apply it like that. And with the same squeezing technique, you can also apply your highlighter as well. Next are the eye brushes. So the first brush I'm going to talk about is an eyeshadow brush, and this is a flat eyeshadow brush. As you can see, the bristles of the brush is very stiff. So this brush is good for placing the eyeshadow on your eyelid. You can also apply eyeshadow on your lower lash line with this brush. But I think this brush is completely optional, because you can do the same thing with your finger as well. You can apply your eyeshadow with your fingers as well. Next, I have two eyeshadow blending brushes. So as you can see, one is with a little longer bristles and another one is with shorter bristles. So the first one, as the bristles are long, so it's very soft and it's the perfect brush for blending. If you don't blend your eyeshadow properly, it will not look good, no matter how good eyeshadow you're using. And then also you can apply your highlighter with this brush. The next brush, as you can see, the bristles of this brush is quite short, so it's very stiff. So it's good for the precise blendings, like just the crease area, just this part. You can also apply eyeshadow on your lower lash line with this one. You can also use it as a smudge brush, so you can apply your kajal and just quickly smudge it all over. And this one is the best for contouring your nose. The next brush you need is an angular brush, which looks like this. And if you are a winged eyeliner fan, you have to invest in this one. And you can also fill in your eyebrows with this brush. And the last but not the least is an eyelash curler. I know for a lot of people eyelash curler is very scary to use, but trust me, it's very easy to use. Actually, it's nothing to scare off or anything. You will not going to poke your eyes or anything like that. You just need a little bit of practice to nail it, and when you will, you can see the difference by yourself. Like it makes a huge difference on your eyelashes. So you just need these 5 brushes and this one beauty blender for your entire face. And as I said, these 2 are completely optional. If you just have these 6 tools in your makeup kit, you are good to go. So that's it for today. I hope I could help you a little bit. If I did, please give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I'll post a new video. And if you know any multi-purpose makeup brushes which I haven't recommended in this video, then please comment down below and let me know about it. And also follow me on my social media. All my social media links are in the description box below. So I'll see you all on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.